Hey guys, hope all is well. So today I'm going to be coming with you guys with a new review, some new releases. These actually got pushed back. They was actually supposed to be coming out in 2019. However, the Nike band pushed it back to the fall, hopefully the fall of this year of 2020. And it's, as you can tell by the title, it is the ones. Yes, yellow, white, and black ones. They call this the yellow toes, I believe. So, oh my gosh, this actually really isn't my pair. This is actually my boyfriend's pair. But I'm trying to get my own pair. However, the person that handed us this release, you know, they didn't have my size. It's okay. I'll work with it. I'll work with it. So, okay, these are the ones. What I have to say about it, these shoes, love it. The color, mind you, I normally like retros. I like the black and red one and the black and blue. I normally like retros, but I have to say I gotta get my hands on these. Gotta get, it ain't OGs, but I gotta get my hands on these because the color pops out. You can wear with anything. This is such an easy wear. Denim, black jeans, sweats, easy wear. And the cool thing about these sneakers, you don't even need to wear an all yellow outfit. You don't need it. You could even get a shirt with a little yellow writing on it and you're fine. This is such an easy way. I love it. But normally the ones is like one of those shoes that is easy to wear, as you can see. So I believe they probably got some color schemes like the yellow black from the Jordan Mays. These are such old, like my pair of Jordan Mays is so old it's starting to deteriorate. I don't see the other half. Oh, you could tell from right here. Look, that's how old my Jordan Mays is. Yes, it's starting to deteriorate. I'm gonna have to get a new sole done. Frico, you got me, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, so the Mays that I have, these actually came out in 05. So yeah, it's pretty old. And I also think they got the influence from the Thunder 14s. Yes, they also have the yellow and black going on. Only white is by the little, you know, the Jordan Mans. So these Thunder, let's see when these came out. Oh, 2014. Not too bad, not too bad. It's still in good shape. So let's see what else Nike could probably got there. And the 97, also with the yellow and black. So these could possibly be some idea of where Nike came about to get their ideas to create the nice looking Jordan 1s. These are so dope. I can't wait to cop my pair. Alright, so that's where I think Nike probably got their inspiration from to create the yellow toes. So these yellow toes, when you do get it, or if you do decide to cop it, I think it's such a cop. I don't think this is going to sit on the shelf for long. And it comes with 3 laces. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Comes with the white one, the yellow one, and the black one. Yep, so you will receive 3 laces when you get in there. Back in the days, you remember when Nike had laces and they actually had the check on it? They don't do that no more. Yeah, they're being cheap. It's okay, Nike. It's okay. They don't do that no more. They don't put no effort. This looks like a weed bag. A large weed bag. Alright, anyways, back to the video. So
you know about that weed bag.
Put the laces in. So yeah, like I said, I don't think they're gonna sit on shelf for long because it's the easy wear. I love it. Are you kidding me? Original, just like the originals. I love it, love it, love it. The color, amazing. And the cool thing, what I think about this shoes, when it gets dirty, even when it get the little yellow at the bottom of like the sole part, it's still gonna look good. It's still gonna look good. So these are the type of shoes that even if it does get dirty, it will still look fine. Oh man, these are not too much yellow, but yeah, even if it does get dirty, it will look fine. So you know, guys, they're not gonna sit on shelf for long. Like I said, I normally go for retros, I normally go for OGs, but these, I will only go out my way if I see something that shines bright like a diamond. And yeah, these are it. These are it. It's a cop. And that wraps up my video. Bye.